Namaste, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the Paramhansa Mandli. In this video, we'll explore the origins, teachings, and impact of this spiritual organization. So, let's dive in. The Paramhansa Mandli is a renowned spiritual organization that emerged in the late 19th century. It was founded by a group of dedicated individuals seeking spiritual enlightenment and the realization of their divine nature. Let's uncover their journey. The organization was formed in response to the prevailing spiritual atmosphere of the time, which emphasized the importance of inner transformation and self-realization. The members of Paramhansa Mandli believed in the divinity present within every individual and sought to awaken this divine essence through various spiritual practices. The teachings of Paramhansa Mandli were rooted in the ancient spiritual wisdom of India, drawing inspiration from Vedanta, yoga, and other philosophical traditions. Their primary goal was to guide individuals on the path of self-discovery, leading to spiritual liberation and the realization of oneness with the divine. The members of Paramhansa Mandli emphasized the practice of meditation, contemplation, and self-inquiry as powerful tools for inner transformation. They believed that by diving deep within and transcending the limitations of the ego, one could experience the true nature of reality and attain spiritual enlightenment. The spiritual practices of Paramhansa Mandli also emphasized the importance of ethical living, compassion, and service to others. They believed that spirituality should not be confined to personal growth but should be expressed through acts of kindness and selfless service, promoting the welfare of society. The teachings of Paramhansa Mandli gained popularity due to their emphasis on direct experience, personal transformation, and universal spirituality. They attracted a diverse group of individuals seeking spiritual guidance, irrespective of their caste, creed, or social background. The impact of Paramhansa Mandli extended beyond the individual level. Their teachings and practices had a ripple effect on the society, promoting harmony, spiritual awakening, and a sense of interconnectedness among people. They inspired many to embark on their own spiritual journeys and live a life of purpose and meaning. Today, the legacy of Paramhansa Mandli continues to inspire and guide spiritual seekers worldwide. Their teachings remind us of the inherent divinity within each of us and encourage us to explore the depths of our own being to find inner peace, joy, and spiritual fulfillment. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Paramhansa Mandli and their profound spiritual teachings. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more spiritual content. Thank you for watching, and may your spiritual journey be filled with love, light, and realization.